Alright, welcome back everybody. I'm going to continue talking about the spider plant. So it's the same. This is the same plant that you could buy at like the hardware stores or at IKEA or whatever. It's like a regular house plant. What I'm going to show in this video is the type of soil that I like to put my spider plants in. A lot of time when you get them from the store, the soil might be dry, or you might notice that it's just like compact and you need to transplant it. For spider plants, this is what I found works best for me and I get really good results. It's super simple. It's two parts of organic potting soil. I threw the bag away, but this is the Kellogg potting soil, which I use. If you see my other videos, I always use the Kellogg brand. So it's 2 parts of the potting soil, and then it's 2 parts of the Miracle-Gro cactus soil. And I don't use, this is the only time I really use Miracle-Gro, because their cactus soil works pretty well. Yeah, so you just take 2 parts cactus soil, 2 parts of potting soil, mix it around, and you'll see it has like a, because of the cactus, there's a little bit of bigger wood chips in it, and that keeps it from compacting, so it's really good. One thing I wouldn't recommend is don't add perlite to the soil that you're going to use for the spider plant. Like in my other video where I talk about the browning tips, perlite can cause fluoride toxicity, and so it can make your spider plant turn brown, so don't add any more perlite to your soil. Yeah, so if you use the Kellogg or any kind of organic potting soil, 2 parts, and then 2 parts of the cactus potting mix, and this is perfect. It'll keep your spider plant happy and healthy.